So hello everyone, this is Psychomong once again. Today we'll be talking about one of the most talked bug of WhatsApp, or I can say meta. So the meta would be not accepting it as a bug as of this only runs in Python. But what if I say that I can bypass that dependency problem? That dependency problem. Let's say, let's say I will be I will be using the .pyz, which is basically known as Python zip application extension to hack someone to get the reverse shell. Reverse shell. But see, over here, I'll be just showing you that I can open calculator using this, but the same manner on live, I will be hacking one system. Maybe that system will record the video if I say to them, okay, so might be they will record the video about the reverse shell thing. Okay, so now I'll be doing what? I'll be hacking into the system. How I'll be hacking into the system? First of all, I need reverse shell code, which you guys can get from here. You guys can just go to Psychomong. That's my Medium blog, over where I have showed you that how you can hack Windows 11. Just you can copy this code. Just copy this code and just go to your Kali Linux. Create one file using mkdir. Using mkdir. Mkdir. YouTube pyz. Go to that file and just mousepad reverse underscore, not reverse, let's say flappy.py. I'm just doing what? I'm just saying that this is the Flappy Birds code. Pasted the code. Now I need the reverse shell code over here. So ngrok tcp4444. For this, you can visit my old YouTube video. And for listening, I'll be using nc-lvnp 4444. So over here, in this mouse pad, I'll be just changing the code. The port number I have changed. I'll save it off. This code is saved. Control A, Control C. Now you need to do what? You need to create one more code which is basically known as mousepad underscore underscore main underscore underscore dot py, and just paste this code, save it off, and done. Okay. Now why I am doing this? It's easy to do, that's why. Let me just check the code once. 0.tcp.in.ngrok.io, that's clear. The code is ready. Now we'll be using one command which is basically known as Python 3 -m zip app. The original code's name Flappy flappy.py, and the output we want. The output is flappy.pyz. I'll be just adding one z behind it. Okay. And I'll just use this command over there. Pasted the command and hit enter. The zip is created. I'll just use open youtube.pyz. It will open the GUI. There are three codes. One is flappy.py, one is flappy.pyz, and one is main.py. So I'll be using this three codes. I'll be putting it on my Windows machine. So over here, flappy.pyz, and main.py. So now I'll just request my target to download this file with video recorded on. Okay. Now I'll be sending this to my target. That video you will be seeing. Huh? Don't worry about that. That video I'll be adding to the at the end of this whole video. So see, I'm just logging in. Over here, my target is there. My target is here. So I'll send the file to this target. So I'll send the file flappy.pyz file to my target and I have sent it. So when I have sent it, the script is being shared over there. The script is being shared over there. I have just downloaded the script and when I hit on open, this script will run in background. It is running right now. But over here, I have the whole access of his device and there is no kind of any kind of I have the access of his device. Now I am starting a notepad in his device and in the recording at the end when you see you'll be seeing that the notepad is being opened. Yeah. Other than that, if I want, I can open his camera and I hit enter. The camera is there. This is basically known as the reverse shell, and Python doesn't even ask for anything, and that's true. That's how the things work. Because this is a malware, but due to the pyz extension, due to the .pyz extension, the malware didn't even detect it. Meta, please look into this. Just a responsible person who is disclosing this. And this is hacking content for my YouTube subscribers that if you want, you can use for hacking purpose too. So stay updated, stay tuned with Psychomong. Happy hacking. Special mention to the two students over here with me. One is Patel Heni and one is Ans Koshti. Neeraj Koshti. Neeraj Koshti, who gave their efforts for this video and gave their device for compromising. So, thank you. Keep watching. If you want, you can subscribe. If you don't want, I don't care. Thank you. Keep sharing, keeps learning. Make it open source.